Hello adventurers, in this video I'll discuss the top 6 balance transfer credit cards in 2023. With so many alternatives, I've looked into the best cards and chose my favourite 6. You'll avoid some decision making paralysis this way. Stepping into the world of credit cards for the first time is always challenging. There are lots of ifs and a lot of wandering around, trying to choose which one will be better to start with. You don't have to worry about this anymore. In this video, you'll find about the 6 best balance transfer credit cards in 2023. And instead of choosing between 50, you'll have to choose between 6 only. Now let's hear about them, shall we? Starting at number 6, we have the Citi Double Cash Card. The Citi Double Cash Card is a popular cashback credit card that offers rewards on every purchase you make with no annual fee. Here are the pros. Straightforward cashback structure that rewards you on every purchase. There's no annual fee, making it a cost-effective option. There's flexibility to convert cashback to thank you points and redeem them for travel or other rewards. And now for the cons. There's no bonus cashback in specific spending categories. And there's no introductory APR period for balance transfers or purchases. It's great for those who want a straightforward cashback credit card with no annual fee. It's suitable for those who prefer to redeem rewards as a statement credit or check, or who want the flexibility to convert cashback to thank you points for travel or other rewards. It's not great for those who are looking for a credit card with bonus rewards in specific spending categories, and may not be suitable for those who want an introductory APR period for balance transfers or purchases. Let's focus on the rewards. Earn 1% cashback on all purchases when you make them. Earn another 1% cashback when you pay for those purchases, making it a total of 2% cashback on every purchase. No category restrictions or caps on cashback. Cashback can be redeemed as a statement credit, a check, or converted to thank you points for travel, gift cards, or other rewards. Now for the welcome bonus. Currently, the Citi Double Cash Card does not offer a traditional welcome bonus with a large lump sum of cash or points upon signing up. However, the ongoing cashback rewards can accumulate over time, providing value with every purchase. The annual fee is $0. When it comes to the intro APR, it's non-existent, but the regular APR is 18.74% to 28.74% variable. Now, the balance transfer fee is 5% of each balance transfer, or $5 minimum after 4 months of account opening, and the foreign transaction fee is 3%. The credit score needed is excellent or good, which is considered to be between 670 and 850. And at number 5, we have the Wells Fargo Active Cash Card. The Wells Fargo Active Cash Card is a credit card that offers unlimited cashback rewards on all purchases. The card also comes with various benefits and protections, such as cell phone protection and roadside dispatch. Here are the pros. The card offers unlimited cashback rewards on all purchases, making it a straightforward way to earn money back on everyday spending. The card has no annual fee, and the card offers a variety of benefits and protections. And here are the cons. It doesn't offer a high cashback rate on any particular category of purchases, and the card has a foreign transaction fee. It's great for people that want a simple way to earn cashback rewards on all their purchases, and it may also be a good option for those looking for a credit card that offers benefits and protections without an annual fee. It's not great for those who spend a lot in specific categories, as the card doesn't offer a high cashback rate on any particular category of purchases. It may also not be the best option for frequent travellers, as the card has a foreign transaction fee. Let's focus on the rewards. The Wells Fargo Active Cash Card offers unlimited 1.5% cashback on all purchases. Cashback rewards earned on the card can be redeemed for statement credits, deposits to Wells Fargo bank accounts, or gift cards. And now for the welcome bonus. The Wells Fargo Active Cash Card offers a welcome bonus of $200 cashback after spending $1,000 on purchases within the first 3 months of account opening. The annual fee is $0. And when it comes to the intro APR, it's 0% intro APR for 15 months from account opening. But the regular APR is 19.49%, 24.49% or 29.49% variable. Now, the balance transfer fee is up to 5%, but a minimum of $5, and the foreign transaction fee is 3%. The credit score needed is excellent or good, which is considered to be between 670 and 850. And now at number 4, we have the US Bank Visa Platinum Card. The US Bank Visa Platinum Card is a credit card that offers a low APR. The card also comes with various benefits and protections, such as fraud protection and free credit score access. And here are the pros. The US Bank Visa Platinum Card offers a long introductory 0% APR period on both purchases and balance transfers. The card has no annual fee, and also the card offers a variety of benefits and protections. And now for the cons. The US Bank Visa Platinum Card doesn't offer any rewards or cashback, and the card has a relatively high balance transfer fee. It's great for people that are looking for a low APR and no annual fee, and also people that are looking to pay off debt or make a large purchase. It's not great for those looking to earn rewards on their purchases, or for those looking to transfer large balances because the balance transfer fee can be relatively high. Let's focus on the rewards is what I should say, but the US Bank Visa Platinum Card doesn't offer any rewards or cashback, and you've guessed it, no welcome bonus as well. The annual fee is $0, and when it comes to the introductory APR, it's 0% intro APR on purchases and balance transfers for 18 billing cycles. But the regular APR is 18.99% to 28.99% variable. Now the balance transfer fee is either 3% or $5, whichever is greater. And the foreign transaction fee is unknown. The credit score needed is excellent, which is considered to be between 800 and 850. At number 3, we have the Wells Fargo Reflect Card. The Wells Fargo Reflect Card is a credit card that focuses on sustainability and social responsibility. It offers a unique reward structure that allows cardholders to earn extra points for purchases made with businesses that share similar values. The card also comes with a variety of benefits and protections, including cell phone protection, travel accident insurance, and roadside assistance. Here are the pros. The Wells Fargo Reflect Card's reward structure is unique and promotes social responsibility, which may appeal to those who prioritise sustainability and ethical business practices. The card offers a 0% introductory APR on purchases and balance transfers. The card's benefits and protections can provide peace of mind when using the card. And now for the cons. The reward structure of the Wells Fargo Reflect Card is not as straightforward as other credit cards, and it may be difficult to earn extra points for purchases made with businesses that share similar values. The card's reward redemption options are limited and may not appeal to everyone. And the card does not offer any bonus categories for extra rewards. It's great for people that prioritise sustainability and social responsibility and want to support businesses with similar values. It's also great for people who want a credit card with no annual fee and a 0% introductory APR. It's not great for those who want a straightforward reward structure or more options for reward redemption. And it's also not great for those that prioritise bonus categories or maximising rewards. Let's focus on the rewards. The Wells Fargo Reflect Card offers 1 point per dollar spent on all purchases. Cardholders can earn additional points by making purchases with businesses that share similar values. Cardholders can also earn bonus points for referring family and friends to the card. Points can be redeemed for cashback, statement credits, merchandise and more. There is no minimum amount required to redeem points, and they expire after 5 years if they are not used. And now for the welcome bonus. The Wells Fargo Reflect Card doesn't currently offer a welcome bonus, but the annual fee is $0. When it comes to the intro APR, it's 0% intro APR for 18 months from account opening on purchases and qualifying balance transfers. An intro APR extension of up to 3 months with on-time minimum payments during the intro and extension periods is available. But the regular APR is 17.49% to 29.49% variable. Now the balance transfer fee is up to 5%, but a minimum of $5. And the foreign transaction fee is 3%. The credit score needed is excellent or good, which is considered to be between 670 and 850. At number 2, we have the Chase Freedom Flex. The Chase Freedom Flex is a credit card that offers a cashback rewards on purchases and various benefits. The card also comes with protections, such as purchase protection and extended warranty protection. Here are the pros. The card offers rotating bonus categories each quarter that earns 5% cashback on up to $1,500 in purchases, providing opportunities to earn higher rewards on certain types of spending. Generous rewards rate in several other categories, and there's no annual fee. Here are the cons. The Chase Freedom Flex's bonus categories change each quarter, so cardholders must actively monitor and activate the categories to earn higher rewards. And the card has a foreign transaction fee. It's great for people that want a card that allows rotating bonus categories and the opportunity to earn higher rewards on certain types of spending. It may also be a good option for those looking for a low-cost credit card that offers benefits and protections without an annual fee. It's not great for those who don't want to keep track of rotating bonus categories or activate them each quarter. It may also not be the best option for frequent travellers, as the card has a foreign transaction fee. Let's focus on the rewards. The Chase Freedom Flex offers 5% cashback on up to $1,500 in purchases in rotating bonus categories each quarter and unlimited 1% cashback on all other purchases. Cashback rewards earned on the card can be redeemed for statement credits, deposits to a bank account, or purchases on Amazon.com. Now for the welcome bonus. The Chase Freedom Flex offers a welcome bonus of $200 cashback after spending $500 on purchases within the first 3 months of account opening. The annual fee is $0. When it comes to the intro APR, it's 0% intro APR on purchases for 15 months. But the regular APR is 19.49% to 28.24% variable. Now the balance transfer fee is either $5 or 5% of the amount of each transfer, whichever is greater. And the foreign transactions fee is 3% of each transaction in US dollars. The credit score needed is excellent or good, which is considered to be between 670 and 850. And in first place we have the Citi Diamond Preferred Card. The Citi Diamond Preferred Card is designed to provide cardholders with various benefits and features, including competitive rewards, access to exclusive events, and valuable cardholder perks. It is primarily focused on offering a variety of benefits for those seeking a card with a substantial balance transfer and introductory APR offer. Here are the pros. The card often provides a longer introductory period. Cardholders may enjoy access to pre-sale tickets, VIP packages and other special events through Citi Entertainment, allowing for unique experiences and entertainment opportunities. The card provides access to a 24/7 concierge service, allowing cardholders to get access with travel arrangements, dining reservations and more. The card offers various protection benefits, such as purchase protection and extended warranty coverage, which can provide peace of mind when making eligible purchases. And here are the cons. The Citi Diamond Preferred Card is not primarily focused on a rewards program. Unlike certain travel-focused credit cards, the Citi Diamond Preferred Card doesn't provide extensive travel-related perks, such as airport lounge access or travel credits. It's great for individuals who prioritize balance transfers, introductory APR offers, and access to exclusive events. If you're looking to consolidate debt, manage existing balances, or have a strong interest in entertainment-related benefits, this card may be a good fit for you. It's not great for people that are primarily interested in earning substantial rewards on their everyday spending, frequent travel perks, or other specific credit cards benefits like cashback or airline miles. There may be other credit card options available that are better suited to those needs. It doesn't offer any rewards. It doesn't offer any welcome bonus. The annual fee is $0. And when it comes to the intro APR, it's 0% for 12 months on purchases and 0% for 21 months on balance transfers. But the regular APR is 17.99% to 28.74% variable. Now, the balance transfer fee is 5% of each balance transfer, $5 as a minimum. And then the foreign transactions fee is 3%. The credit score needed is good or excellent, which is considered to be between 670 and 850. Now that wraps up what I believe are the top 6 balance transfer credit cards in 2023. Of course, there are more of them, and I can cover them in another video if you want. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. And I'll see you in the next video.